Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another awesome tutorial, so let's get cracking. Before we get going, though, I do want to mention we're on my website, HLModTech.com. I mention this because I have got a sweet built-in messaging tool. If you ever have a question, comment, or suggestion, you can click that, add your information, and reach out to me almost instantly. While we're out here, friends, I also want to highlight the Tinkercad Community Discord. It is a fantastic place to talk everything Tinkercad. It is also the place I met NanoRay. Friends, today's tutorial is inspired by Tinkercad user NanoRay. I have featured his designs a few times, and this time he shared one that I'm going to have you guys do as a challenge. Friends, Tinkercad Scribble is amazing. It lets you make scribblish designs really darn easily. Now this is the letter A, and NanoRay scribbled it, and the letter B, and the letter C. Now the fun part is it's Scribble, so it's your interpretation, and when you're done, this will also help you memorize these, which I think this is just a fantastic learning tool if you're trying to do sign language. So real quickly, I'm going to challenge you to do the rest of these. If you just look up an image, you can see right there is the D where it's 3 fingers, 1 up, and a thumb. So I'm going to try and do this with you. I'm going to launch the Scribble piece, and I'm going to put it right here. Drop it out, and remember it was 3 fingers, so I'm going to look at this again. 3 coming down, so it's knuckle, knuckle, knuckle. I'll go back to my design. So here is knuckle 1, knuckle 2, knuckle 3, and then I'll add the little underneath parts. And if you ever don't like something, you can erase it. You can also use this tool to erase whole chunks. You can also just clear your whole screen. So real quickly, I'm going to do this again. So real quickly, let's try this one more time. There's finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, and then I've got 1 finger coming up. I'm going to curl these knuckles over, bring my hand under, and then also I've got to draw that thumb coming up. Now that doesn't look great, but let's see what it looks like when we go back out into the system. Oh my gosh, check it out. That's not bad. There's a finger up, you can tell there's 3 coming over, and there's a thumb. Now you can stretch, you can adjust, you can double click to go back here and here, you can change it. I'm going to smooth this just a little by trimming off an edge, so I'm just showing you it's possible. You can do lots of things to keep making these better. I'm going to switch to the black color like he had. Now he did do a custom black. If we go over here, he slid it all the way out, which does add a nice pop to it. But oh my gosh, this is a pretty good clue that 3 fingers down, a thumb and a finger is the letter D. Now I'm going to upgrade this one little piece by putting a note there and putting the D inside, so that way it's hidden. So if I need to check which letter it is, bam, I can, but I can also hide them as I start to practice learning the American Sign Language. Of course, friends, you could also add the letters down here, like noting that that was the letter D, or you could use Scribble like NanoRay did as he was making his letters as well. If you need more space to build these, real quickly, I'll let you know. You can go to this grid, and let's say you wanted to change it to 500. And when you hit update grid, it'll stretch out. You can arrange them all so you could have all 26 letters as you practiced American Sign Language. I want to say thanks again to NanoRay for sharing his awesome project, and then make sure you check the details so you can find his design, give him a reaction, and then have fun trying to solve American Sign Language on your own. Friends, of course, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.